I mean, it's a lot of pressure to make these struffelers like Graham.
Eggs, butter.
Eggs, but we need flour, confectionery sugar.
White vinegar.
Vinegar, okay.
Okay.
So let's find the dry ingredient place. Do you have honey?
Middle aisle, bottom shelf.
Oh, okay, great, thank you.
Thank
See?
you.
Oh, here it is, the honey.
Okay, that's what we need.
I need the honey for the struffelers.
Oh, the honey.
You make struffelers?
Of course.
You do, right? I'm sure you have your old family recipe.
We do it in a bag, a pastry bag.
You know, unfortunately, my grandparents are departed, so, you know, we try to keep the family tradition. I'm a medium,
Oh, really?
which means that why, you thought I was a large?
No, I thought you were small.
All right, listen. When you talk to dead people, there's not so many jokes you could tell, so cut me some slack.
I'm able to feel and sense things to validate for you that your loved ones are still with you. Who was the father that is departed?
My dad.
Okay, so know that your dad is stepping forward, taking this opportunity just to let you know that his soul is with you. But he just told me that you feel him. You sense him around you all the time.
My dad passed away 2 years ago from Alzheimer's and old age. He meant everything to me, you know. He was a great man, you know, taught me everything that I know about life and family and, you know, tradition and passing on tradition. I miss my dad very dearly, you know, wish he was still here.
Do you have your dad's money clip or something? Your dad talks about like a money clip.
I have a money clip, but I have it at home, yes.
Perfect.
When I was a kid, when my dad was sleeping, I used to sneak into his room, and I used to go into his money clip and always take a couple of dollars. But, you know, I would think that my father didn't realize it, but he had one eye open, and he did see me. So then later on in life, you know, when he felt that he didn't need the clip anymore, he gave it to me. And he said, save it, you know, I want you to save this clip and give it to your sons one day. And that's what I did. I stored it away. And it's a beautiful thing.